This tastes just like a pumpkin pie in ice cream form. I mean, now I have the chickpeas that I prepped. I'm gonna go ahead and use that in our ice cream. So I'm gonna go in with about a half a cup. And then butternut squash. This is about a cup. Go in with a date or two. This is an actually really big date. So I'm gonna do one of those and maybe we'll do one more. And taking the pits out, vanilla powder. That's about a half a teaspoon. A generous pinch of salt. Kind of going for a salted caramel vibe. And then we've got our non-dairy milk. This is about 1.5 cups, 360 mils. Let me know while this is blending what other fall flavors you think would be good in ice cream. Continue to let it blend. You might need to shake your blender a little bit as you go to get it fully blended until you get to this nice, creamy, smooth consistency. That is really delicious. I'm thinking of adding a little organic maple butter for additional flavor. Should I do a little pumpkin spice? I might do it. You can add extra for more pumpkin pie flavor. Now let's blend this together. Check for consistency and taste to make sure it's the level of sweetness you want. Oh, that's good. Pour into your Ninja Creami container. So if you like pudding, you could just stop right here and you'd have a delicious pumpkin-y, butterscotchy type of pudding. Let me know where you're watching from. It has been 24 hours. We're ready to spin this. Looks like it's going to be good. I like to run some hot water on the sides here, so because it can be icy when you spin it, so that helps to avoid any iciness on the sides. It has a little hump on the top here. Sometimes that happens with the Ninja Creami, a little mound forms in the middle as it freezes. Just going to scrape that down so it'll be flat. Otherwise, there could be a problem with the blade going down. And now it's time for the Ninja Creami to do its magic. We're going to use the light ice cream setting because this isn't a high-fat, high-sugar recipe. There are a lot more Ninja Creami ice cream recipes just like this on the channel that also use really healthy ingredients. I've got a mint chip, chocolate, vanilla, creamsicle, a lot of different flavors. They're so good. It's a little crumbly, so let's put it back in and do a respin. This helps to get some of the ice off the sides. People ask, why does it do that? Well, if the paddle goes down, the paddle would be scraping against the pint. That wouldn't be good. Get plastic pieces in your ice cream. I'll take the iciness. All right. Okay, let's go in and do a bit of a respin. Respin. Let's see what we got. It's kind of like a hard ice cream, so if you want more of a soft serve, I actually think I'd go a little bit more, but this pretty much kind of comes together as a hard ice cream. One more spin. Oh, wow. I'm tempted to go one more time. You know what I'm going to do though? I'm going to make a little hole. Going to add some toppings. Do some pecan bits and some of this homemade date syrup. Do some of that going in. That would help. Mix in setting. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Kind of got more of a soft serve vibe now going on. couple more pieces of pecans. Make it look pretty. And then let's do the date syrup. It's pretty thick, this date syrup. Let's see. Let's try and get a little bit more. Moment of truth. Let's taste it and see how it is. Wow, look at that. That looks so good. Let's see. Shut the front door. You can't tell there are vegetables in here. Even if you ate this entire pint. I mean, people ask if the Ninja Creami is worth it. 1,000%. The Ninja Creami comes with like 2 of these pint containers and I got 4 more. I can have 6 different ice creams on hand at all time, healthy ice creams. Just check the description for links to resources and other videos that you might enjoy. I want you to try some. Here, you seriously have to make this. This came out so good. It is just luscious.